Hello friends, so I am here with another voiceover for you guys. Yeah, we just had our grand opening, which is the footage that you'll be looking at. I am just so happy and so excited, and yeah, I don't know if it was like 4 cups of coffee that I had today, but I was just so proud of myself and so happy. I can't believe that we did this, and it went really good. Everyone was so nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk and ramble a little bit about our grand opening. We got free cookies. Well, we didn't get. Alex baked cookies for everyone, and they were so good. We had like other snacks and free coffee, and we overestimated on the coffee, and that's why I had 4 cups of coffee, but it's fine. Someone has to drink it and not waste it, right? But yeah, we had a bunch of like flash. I did exclusive flash, so if people came in, they could get flash that I hadn't posted anywhere else. Yeah, and then we offered free consultations, which we usually do anyway, but if someone wanted custom work and they were already at our grand opening, we could talk to them about their wonderful ideas. We had stickers. We were offering a 15% discount if you book with us that day. I have appointments next week, and I was so nervous that I wouldn't get any appointments, and I was just so nervous that we would fail. And it feels really good to just power through and trust myself and work really, really hard for something that you want. And this is it. Our hard work has started to pay off, and it's been such a fun journey. I've already learned so much about myself. I've already grown so much as a person just doing this, and I get to do it with some wonderful people, and I get to meet some new people. Some people have booked in for some of my flash, which I'm so excited about. I love doing flash. Yeah, so you'll definitely be seeing some videos of the tattoos that I'm going to be doing. I've got some like plant stuff that I'm going to be working on, so that's super exciting. But yeah, sorry I couldn't film more of like a talking and during the grand opening. I just wanted to 100% be focused on my clients, so you're kind of just seeing scenes from before and after the grand opening. We also did a giveaway for a free custom or flash tattoo, palm sized, and we drew the giveaway winner after the grand opening at 5 o'clock. We were open from 12 until 5. And she was so sweet and so excited. Yeah, I'm just feeling really grateful. And yeah, also I'm gonna sneak in a little portfolio tour. I quickly updated it with some of my flash. But yes, if you are in the Okanagan area, your girl is in Summerland, and I would love to tattoo you, so come hang out. Yeah, I really value offering clients and fellow artists and employees, the whole Sprouted Beans family. I want it to be a place where people feel super comfortable and super welcomed, all-inclusive, just a happy, fun place where you get your plant tattoos and your anime tattoos and eat some snacks and hang out. So yeah, I'm just feeling really blessed and really grateful, and yeah, I'm so excited to take you guys on this journey with me. And if I make more videos like this, I hope you enjoy and you don't mind me rambling, because I'm really kind of liking this style of video lately. It takes the pressure off, I think, of making something, like fully scripted and planned out. It's just like hey, these shots look fun and pretty, and it's a way to keep creating and not feeling overwhelmed. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed a few shots of our grand opening, and yeah, I'll be bringing you guys with me to work all the time, so I will definitely see you there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys had a great day, and I will see you next Sunday, because your girl makes regular videos now. it's a thing. Okay, love y'all. Bye.
Raindrops